在这赛博城市里，我学会孤独。灯火再亮也照不进内心深处。
The song you're hearing right now and the singer on screen were created entirely using free AI tools. Many people ask, how do you solve the problems of stiff AI character movements and inconsistent facial features? In today's video, I'll reveal every detail, from composing in Suno and fixing the character with Nano Banana to editing in CapCut. The first step is simple. I used ChatGPT to write the lyrics, setting the style to cyberpunk. Next, I put the lyrics into Suno. It generated 2 complete free songs, and I selected one. For the visuals, I used Bing Image Creator to generate a girl in a recording studio. It generated 4 high-quality photos at once, and I chose one. Here comes the key point: you can't make an MV with just a single image. To allow the singer to turn her head and change poses while keeping her appearance consistent, I used a tool called Nano Banana. As you can see, based on the original image, I generated shots for side profile singing, frontal close-up, and immersed with eyes closed. The character consistency is maintained perfectly. Once the assets are ready, don't rush into animation. If Hedra runs for too long at once, the lip sync tends to drift. I opened CapCut and, following the song structure, cut the audio into 7 small clips like intro, verse, and chorus, exporting them separately. This step is the key to quality. Next, I opened Hedra to pair the MP3 clips I just cut with their corresponding images. For example, the verse is calmer, so I used the side profile. The chorus is more intense, so I used the frontal close-up. The resulting video looks like a director is switching camera angles. Note 2 things: the free version of Hedra has a 30-second limit per generation and a quota. Therefore, use Hedra to generate only the parts with vocals. With all materials ready, let's go back to CapCut for the final assembly. Here is a pro tip: place the original, uncut 4-minute high-quality song on a separate audio track first. Then, place the Hedra-generated videos onto the main track and mute the audio on those video tracks. This gives you the visuals while preserving the perfect original sound quality. Finally, I'll teach you 2 camera moves to make your MV look professional. For the verse, we use keyframes to slowly zoom the image from 100% to 110%. This creates a slow push effect that adds a sense of life. At the exact moment the chorus hits, we do an instant cut and add a shake effect to maximize the visual impact. See? With the right method, you can make a professional-grade MV using free tools. That covers the production process. Due to time constraints, I'll only show the highlights here. I hope this video inspires you. All the tools used in this video are listed in the description below. If you want to watch the full MV, please click the video on the screen. This is Decoding Everything. See you in the next episode.